All right. I wanted to edit the title, so I think that's better now. All right. Can you guys hear me? I know sometimes with the connection it can be weird. I don't really know where to put this one chart. I guess I can make it smaller here. Do I have a confirmation candle on this one? No.
Order filled.
Alright, so I'm gonna actually take this. I guess I could keep it there, that's fine. I got in this MasterCard position, but it's not on here. Let's see. Oh, it actually did try to do it. I guess I should have left it, but damn! Alright, markets are moving up. Alright, well, I can't get in my swings yet. This is a nice push here. I need to close some of this. Already up 500 here. This is on MasterCard.
Order filled.
There's nothing else trading yet. Renko's already in a long. I'm just... And you can't see... Hey, Jen. Hi, Ingrid. So you guys probably can't see this chart over here, but I like to mark this up so I don't have to always use my TD Ameritrade and my NinjaTrader, because I am using my NinjaTrader so much now. That watching the swing zones is a little easier if I do it this way. But anyway, I'm in this long of MasterCard because I like the way it looks on the algorithm, and it seems to give pretty good moves. So I have 300 shares left. I already sold 400. 342.20. I'm just waiting for something else to happen. So if you're new to the algorithm, this one is live now. So if this takes a trade, I will be in it. They're all on my live accounts. These three are, well, actually RTY could take a trade soon. If it closes in the zone and then leaves, or if it gets out of the zone. And Q won't take a trade till at least 10:30, and natural gas won't take a trade till at least 10:30. So don't really need to watch these three that much. I do need to watch if we're going to reject from these swing zones and then take a short. That is something I am watching for my manual group. But we got some nice movement here today. I don't know, I really like it like that. It's crazy how China keeps making the market so red overnight, and then it's like, it's so hard to get that back. But yesterday they did it, and today they did it. So, well, it seems like they're doing it today. We'll see if they can continue this. I'm probably going to turn shorts. Well, I don't know. I'm not necessarily turning shorts off yet, even though we are in the middle of the swing range here for NQ, so. Where is Bo? Bo, are you on the live stream? I want to tell you about MasterCard. Alright, so NQ is really pushing here. This is the bold range from yesterday. Or Marissa. Marissa, are you on this? Marissa. 2213. Alright, so ES is having a hard time getting through this. This is also that, like, 43... Oh, no, that was 44.20 from yesterday. Oh, no, it was 43. We're in the same area. I think I want short on for Renko, but I haven't decided yet. Yes, they are 360. I'm watching ES here if it's gonna pull back.
Order filled.
Oh, nice. That was I still have 200 shares left, so I should probably somewhere. $342.40. What was the high this morning? $342.30.
Order filled.
All right, I have 100 shares left of that. Still nothing really to do here on the swing side. Sometimes swings get crazy right at the open, and then sometimes it's like this where it goes back to the range, and then it may want to get through the zone, or it may not. I just want to kind of close this position out with MasterCard, because then I don't have to worry about it anymore. Not that I really have to worry about it. It's a long position, which overall is good. But 25. All right. See, ES might pull back down. That's what I'm watching for.
Order canceled.
I'm playing around with my
order filled.
All right, so I'm out of MasterCard 565 in like 10 minutes. Not bad. All right, NQ is definitely pushing, so that's going to help ES here. I am not going to be looking to take a short in the ES on this range. You guys can't see this chart. I'm going to have to make these other ones a little smaller. And I'm going to turn shorts off on this. So the only trade I'm looking to take on Renko is a long. I want you guys to be able to see these swings. If I move these in a little. Like natural gas. I guess I could move. Well, R2I doesn't really matter right now either because it's on a 30-minute chart, so it takes 30 minutes for if it's going to take a trade, it would need that time. I want to just move this over. Okay. All right. I may have figured this out. Oh, thanks, Get Wrecked. All right. ES is still having a hard time though with this swing zone. All right, so kind of a boring open here on this Wednesday, October 6th. It seems like the range today for NQ is going to be very similar to the range from yesterday, which can happen. It's not uncommon. Hey, Enzo. How are you? All right, I actually, now I kind of want to take this short. Because ES is really pulling back. So this might have been a short-lived move up. All right. We'll see. I have to follow that really closely. Because NQ looks stronger here than ES. I could start taking a short in the ES. Oh, ES is coming back up. All right, I was watching ES closely here. If I get in this short of NQ, it's going to be, I'm going to monitor it so fast.
Order submitted.
I don't really like this in points. So if I can get like $100, I'm going to take that and get out. Because this, like, I'm not going to give this a full stop. See, we dropped to 75. It might not. It might just hit my stop.
Order submitted.
I really just want to see if I can get to 75 or 70. Just grab a quick $100, $200, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. ES pumped back up and then went back down. I didn't alert the short, but actually, NQ, this is the zone here at 80. If it can break that 80, that will look a lot better for a continued short. That's probably why it's having a hard time here. Maybe I'll give it a little more room. Alright, let's see if we can break 80. And then I gotta alert that. Alright, moving down. We know 75 is going to be the first kind of stop. No.
Order filled.
Damn it. That was
Order
too close.
canceled.
I made $80 on that. Oops. I need to edit this. I know, Jen, you're so sweet. Alright, so clearly I was trailing too closely. That ES pullback from the zone was really nice. I was going to alert it at 4310, and now it's at 4300. Damn it. NQ is now at 75. NQ does look stronger out of the two, so I would just be careful at these quarter points, but yeah. So still nothing for NQ or natural gas because they have to wait till 10:30. See how it's hovering around this 75, 77 area. But it's leaving the zone, so I don't mind it. And ES has already left the zone for a minute now. It broke 75. There it goes. 70, 67. Marissa, did you see my my freaking $80 whatever? I have TP1 is 55. 10 points away. It's now at 65. Damn. Damn. Oh, whatever. I wasn't even going to take the short, but then when I saw it was going to kind of coincide with the zone, then I was like, oh wait, I will take that short. Here it goes. We're about to hit TP1 in the alert group. I was like 2 points away from TP1. It's like a 57. ES is looking red. Like I can't really handle all this pressure in these other markets. Well, MasterCard played, so it's good. Target is getting real aggressive with these pickup orders. Okay. They're like, today is the last day to pick up your order. Like, yes, I know. But you literally, all right, TP1 hit. You literally filled it. Like yesterday evening. So chill out. Oh, look at this break of 50. It's just dropping. I'm such a bitch. You know what I like to do just to kind of mess myself up is now put it back on the sim and then see what it's at.
Order filled.
Oh, it's just at $1,000 this trade from the Algo, but my ass was hovering way too close. Where's Marissa? Just reminding my members that this Renko setup is a one and done. When it gives a big move like this for $1,000 on one contract, I always turn it off. So I like to remind them to do the same. It's in their best interest. Because we did have a nice long, so it could potentially give another long up here at 75, but there's no reason to push it once you've hit that threshold of $600, $700, $800, and this has already hit 1,000. So yeah, did we get to 35 for TP2? Yeah. Drops are always so much easier than moves up. Move up. So this is on sim now, so I don't care what it does, but if I was on my real account, I would have turned the strategy off on the side panel. So you can push this here strategy on and turn it off, and it won't take any other trades. Or you can push long off and then it won't take any more longs, or short off and it won't take any more shorts. But since it already gave this big move, I would just turn the whole thing off after. Well, you can even do, you can do it now because it's just gonna turn it off for the future. You're still in this trade. It's not gonna affect this trade at all. And then you're done for the day, essentially. wonder if Darian is in this. Sorry for all the typing. I know it can be annoying. All right. I'm done typing. All right, so this trade is now at 1200. You can see it's kind of getting sideways here in the 20s. We'll see. It's only 10 o'clock, so I still have another half an hour until this NQ. Ooh, 1500. You guys, how much of a bitch am I? Because I got out of this with an $80 profit. It's what Marissa and I talk about all the time. Fastest fingers in the East. Oh, when I'm typing, yeah. I would say that as far as profit too, and then I leave so much on the table, which is a horrible thing to do. But the NQ 5-minute made $400 this morning, so that's good. And then I made $565 off of the stock trade that I used the algorithm for. Can we just talk about RTY? Look at how perfect this range was. It has done this now 3 days in a row. Whoa, NQ is dropping. Dropping. All right. Okay. Well, you know, this short is just at 1955. I'm going to change this to my sim so you guys can see it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this has a different amount because I got in later. Remember how I got in after I got out of the trade? That's why I was like, why does that look different? Oh, no. So I'll just keep it off. But you can see here, if you got in when I did originally, when I locked up $80, you would be green 1900. Insane. Also, in the swing room and the manual alert room, we hit all TPs. TP1, TP2, TP3. On the... Jeez, this is not good. Like, I don't like when the market drops like this. I'm just not a fan. Yeah. But I love when my members are getting these big trades because that's great. NQ 5-minute was great today. Now Ranko's printing. It's okay, Kevin. Nice, $900. Kevin is agreeing at $900. Mind doing these live streams in the morning as long as you know, things aren't too crazy. Sometimes it's really only Renko, I guess, that I have to watch, that and RTY. But can we talk about RTY? It has done this the last 3 days. Like, we can look at it. I can make it bigger. Where it comes and it touches the zone. Well, so yesterday it didn't come all the way to the back end. But you can see here, it came into the zone. This was at market open at 10 a.m. It did it the other day too. It had some losing trades, but it did it where, look, it came to the back of the zone, and then it acted like it was going to push up, but then it actually fell through. Here, it came into the zone, and it bounced, and that's exactly what it did today. So, essentially a retest. It left the zone at 2 a.m. or whatever. It came back to the zone. And then, so it came back to exactly where London had it for a retest and then just dropped. So it's really cool. Thanks, Enzo. It's really cool to be able to see that day after day because I never really watch RTY. And now it's something, jeez, what is happening? That I'm keeping more of an eye on. See, so I would have had the strategy turned off here. If it tries to take this long at 5:30, I wouldn't be in it because this was a significant move that I don't want to risk it with another trade. But the way that you can also do this if you're not home, there's a max loss, max profit part of the strategy. So you can put in, okay, if I make $500, I just want it to take me out, and it will turn the algorithm off. So, but look at this big move up from 6 a.m. So it will close out this short here once it crosses this threshold, and then
order submitted.
So it locked up 1100 on its own. So I just like to, this is why I like to put it in sim, because I track all the results. If you didn't touch it at all and you were like, I'm just going to let the algorithm do its thing, see how now it was kind of like a fake out and now it's pulling back. But we'll see what happens. But I would have stopped it here anyway. Everyone in the group knows that Renko is a one and done if it has a significant trade. So I'm going to mark my spreadsheet for 1100 because that's what it would have been if you just didn't touch it at all. Now it's 10:09. I'm going to actually close this chart out because it really doesn't matter to me what happens here. I'm going to have to close this position.
Order filled.
All right, so Renko is done for the day. Now I have NQ. I don't think RTY is going to take another one because the candle didn't go in the zone. This seems to be happening a lot. But that's fine. So I have natural gas and NQ that will start looking for trades at 10:30. So I kind of have 20 minutes to just chill. I missed the ES. I was definitely talking about this on the live stream and I missed it. Got the NQ. I think NQ is just more comfortable for me, so it's easier to watch NQ and feel like I can tell if it's ready to turn around or not, whereas like I was willing to take NQ as soon as it left the zone, but ES I was kind of like, I don't know, maybe not. All right, so I'm probably gonna wrap up the live here. I'll post if NQ or natural gas takes a trade later. I will post it. And I'll talk to you guys later. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or email me or whatever. Like I said, I'll try to do this each day. It's just some mornings are a lot more hectic than others. So, but yeah, I'll let you guys know, obviously, if I'm on. So, all right, have a good day, and I hope you guys did well this morning. All right, bye.